Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best Halloween t-shirts available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 4 we have men's Halloween t-shirt. It is made of high quality and comfortable 100% cotton fabric. It has classic round neck and short sleeve design. And comfortable to wear, breathable, light and elastic. At number 3 we have Dinosaur Halloween t-shirt. This awesome raw Halloween graphic idea for dinosaur lovers. At number 2 we have Born Halloween t-shirt. This piece Love Pumpkin Fall Girls is a trending cute graphic design for Halloween. At number 1 we have Star Wars Halloween t-shirt. This machine wash cold comes with light colors, dry, low heat. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best Halloween t-shirts for your need.